Hey everybody, this is Noble Notary and Legal Document Preparers, and today we're going to talk about how to become a notary in Nevada. Now what's really cool about Nevada is that you don't actually have to be a resident to be a notary in Nevada.
Yes, so getting your Nevada notary commission, you actually, pretty cool, you can be in what's called an adjoining state. And those states are California, Oregon, Utah, Idaho, and Arizona. You could literally be in one of those states and have a non-resident notary commission. The notary commission is training. The training and the exam can be done online. It's $80 fee. And then you would file a $10,000 bond with your county of residence. And then that's kind of it. Now Nevada is a remote online notary state, and on their site, which I'll give you the links to, they have a list of the platforms that are accepted. A lot of them, and in another video, I'm going to do a breakdown on Ron, but a lot of them are what I would call functionally useless platforms. But there are a few good ones that you can hook up with right away. I would recommend for Nevada Cyberize It, which we can't use here in Florida, but I have previewed the platform and it's a very good platform. And then the other one is Blue Notary, a great platform for doing your remote online notary services as well. That is kind of it. Once you have that notary commission and you're up and running, obviously there's some other things that you can do to generate revenue, becoming a signing agent, a wedding officiant. Now that is a separate thing in Nevada, but I looked at that too and it looks pretty simple, but you could be a wedding officiant. You can offer apostille services. These are all things that we teach in our stellar course, Notary Prosperity Academy. So that is it. Follow those links, get yourself a Nevada Notary Commission and start a side hustle today.